It handled work behind the compact roller LTC08H, powered by Changchai engine with 5.9 kW output. The machine features both electric and manual pull start system for flexibility. Equipped with 600 mm wide steel drum, ensures efficient and uniform compaction. Its hydraulic drive system uses well-known working pumps and motors, provides smooth and reliable operation. The integrated guide wheel and control lever enable easy steering. Ideal for small-scale construction, pavement repair, the LTC08H offers a practical solution for various compaction tasks.